When people have come to me for full mouth reconstruction, they usually have a few different similar complaints. Crowns or bridges are being knocked off, they're breaking teeth out, they don't like the way their smile looks, either because they're unsightly or they're chipped, or they become extremely shortened because of the grinding of their teeth. And they think that there's a problem. They're not quite sure what it is, and they don't know quite how to handle it. They are used to going to the dentist and thinking of your mouth as just teeth, individual teeth. Full mouth reconstruction is really looking at the mouth in the person. It's really how the teeth come together, how they bite, how they look, how they fit, the comfort of the jaw joints, any abnormal habits like clenching or grinding. These all contribute to people seeking a full mouth reconstruction. So if you have any of those types of symptoms, we could help you out. With full mouth reconstruction, usually we have to have a stronger material with which to work with. So oftentimes, one of our main services that we provide are the crowns and bridges. In addition to that, missing teeth are often replaced with dental implants because they provide the most stability of any of the replacement procedures that we have. They also help stimulate the bones so that you don't lose any more and help us to accomplish the bite and the look that you would like. A lot of people could be candidates for this type of treatment. They're often getting along with poorly fitting partial dentures, poorly fitting dentures. With full mouth reconstruction, we're looking at restoring a person's mouth to a healthy state. And it could vary from anyone who just has a couple teeth left to someone that has them all left with broken fillings, broken teeth, not able to chew, and those are the kind of people that we can really help. Patients that have had full mouth reconstruction done will tell me that they smile more, they eat better, they find that they're grinding their teeth less, they're even snoring less, and they're much happier about themselves. It's a big increase in their self-esteem also.